Did you know small changes in your life can make big impact on your surroundings and on this planet Earth? Let us tell you how you can help with First Step.
Every year, billions of plastic plates and trays end up in landfills and oceans. We are Namaste Plates, a company that creates biodegradable dinnerware so that you can enjoy your food without being a burden to the landfill. Unlike low-quality plastic plates, our products are eco-friendly, strong, and elegant. They make you feel like dining at home for every party, without the worry of dropping the food due to thin plastic plates. In the past 5 years, we have designed and sold elegant dinner plates and trays that make your dining experience more enjoyable and eco-friendly. Thanks to our customers, we have eliminated 1 million pieces of plastic dinnerware from the environment. We are proud of our impact, but we want to do more. That's why we need your help. We have a vision to create more varieties of biodegradable trays that can suit different occasions and needs. To make these products a reality, we need your support for our campaign on Kickstarter. You can also help us by spreading the word about Namaste Plates and trying our products yourself. Let's make the world a greener place together. No pledge is small. You can pledge as low as $1, $5, or $20 to support the cause. Thank you for your support. Namaste.